explain the feeling. I'm so nervous back there. It's so cold and I really cannot contain what kind of emotion am I feeling right now. But to sum it all, I think ito yung tinatawag nating matutumba ka na sa sobrang kaba.
Yes. Pero feeling ko hindi ka matutumba because this is your chance to clinch the crown of Bekshi ng Manila 2026 because, 40 seconds.
40
You have 40
seconds.
seconds. And your question will be ready on the screen.
Parang magiging guest ni Mrs. sa ano. Naramdaman mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, judges, our last finalists for tonight. 40 seconds to answer the question. Your timer starts now.
Hindi kailanman maitatama ng mali ang mali. Kaya't gagawin ko ang sa palagay ko ay nararapat. Binigyan ako ng edukasyon na galing sa kasamaan. Kaya't ang gagawin ko ay ang tamang natutunan ko doon sa edukasyong yon. Isusumplong ko ang aking mga magulang dahil mali ang ginawa nila. At hindi ko kailanman ito-tolerate ang lahat ng kamalian dahil alam kong maraming magiging apektado sa maling ito. Kaya naman, huwag tayong magbulag-bulagan kahit na tayo nakakaranas ng sarap sa buhay. Kung alam nating mali ang pinanggalingan ng perang ito, isuplong natin ang ating mga.
Thank you very much, Miss Quezon City. Ano masasabi mo?
Sobrang akong kinabahan kanina kasi the 10 girls earlier did very well. I wasn't even expecting to be here anymore, pero thank you so much, judges, for allowing me to be part of the top 5. Thank you.
Minsan maganda rin yung hindi ka nag-e-expect, no? Para nangyayari na manifest.
Correct.
Hindi
Manifestation.
Hindi
Ako din,
nababaran.
kinakabahan din ako nung ina-announce ko yung top 5 kanina eh. Paano pa kaya mamaya sa announcement ng grand?
Tama, diba?
Now, you will be given 40 seconds to answer the question. We will not be reading the questions for you, but you will read it yourself. Once you're ready, we'll give you time to read the question. And your question is...
She's ready.
40 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, judges, here's her answer. Go.
Integrity is one of the values that I uphold, regardless of who the person is, even though if it's a family member, I will be a whistleblower. Not because I don't care about them, but because I would want them to learn coming from that mistakes. There are so many ways in order for them to let me experience beautiful life, and I will not appreciate a beautiful life if it come from something that affected not just limited people, but so many people because of corruption. Thank you and good evening.
Please step forward.
Kamusta ka naman, Mikay? Ano yung nangyari sa'yo backstage? May pinatugtog ba sila?
Anong tugtog?
Well, actually, they don't have music. The one thing that I do is always pray in God because I really want to win here in Bekshi because Bekshi is my last pageant because after this, I'm going to focus on preparing on MIQ and hoping to be the next MIQ PH 2026.
Ang mga tinginan, ha?
Oo.
Nagiget ako dyan.
Oo. Sige. Alright, you will be given 40 seconds to
40
answer the
seconds.
question. And we will not be reading the question. Instead, you will be reading the question on your own. And the question... Sige, subukan nyo! Nagtatrabaho kami, oh! Ayan.
Ayan. Are you ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, judges, 40 seconds, timer starts now.
Now.
Bilang isang Pilipino na nakakaranas ng korupsyon, ako po ay hindi magdadalawang isip na isumbong o ipadala ang aking mga magulang nang sa ganoon ay harapin nila kung ano ang dapat na parusa sa ginawa nilang kasalanan because I firmly believe na kung gusto natin ng magandang Pilipinas, marunong tayong sumunod sa kung ano ang batas ng ating bansa. At batid ko, bilang isang magulang, dapat marunong tayong umisip kung magiging masaya ba ang inyong mga anak sa inyong gagawin kahit ito pa ay patungkol sa aming kinabukasan. Always remember, there's always a better way for us to be successful in life. Thank you.
Thank you very
so
much.
Teros.
Ang ganda!
Hindi ko rin mabasa. Papasa sa January. Kahit isa po ng konti.
Ano, natanong na yung Sony.
Agad. Ready?
All
Are you
right.
ready, Miss Pateros?
40 seconds to answer the question. Ladies and gentlemen, judges, your timer starts now.
Now.
This is a time for us to at least showcase our intelligence. But for me, this is the time for me to share my story. Because my mom also committed a crime and she has been jailed for at least 3 years. And it at least affects my mental health. And where times goes by, I realized that my mom's committed sin would not reflect my future. Well, definitely, I will not choose the silence, but I will pursue what is my dream in my life. Because there's no perfect person in this world. What we need is to learn from what our parents committed and erase that with your own legacy. That's why now, I am now a teacher, showing to all that nothing will let you down. Good evening, Bexio of Manila.
Thank you very much.